As AI scales within the organization, corporate guardrails require AI to be modeled within an MLOps framework. You don't want to end up with models stored in a variety of places and lose track of which is the latest version or where it is located. MLflow Agent is the first in a series that enables effective model governance using a popular MLOps toolset. Let us know if you are using a different repository. This empowers data scientists to promote new model versions within MLflow without going back to edit the data stream. Let's see this in action. My thanks to Chris for recording this demo. As soon as I find my mouse. In it, we have an MLflow agent configured to use version 1 of a model called wine quality. Once the data stream is published, observe that the first event confirms model version 1 was used to make a prediction. Now we'll change over to MLflow and promote version 2 to production. Going back to the data stream, without reconfiguring or republishing, observe that model version 2 is seamlessly used to make the next prediction.